ICCT stock Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end. Find out. Right, iCore Connect. Pretty crazy stock. I say crazy because it does move quite of an unusual way. But if you look at it from a broader picture, yeah, beforehand just falling down and then out of nowhere we're up 60%. And I'm gonna come here and say that I've done 26,000 videos, not 26, but 29, almost 30,000. And I've seen this happen over and over again. So it's not like I'm gonna like, it's not like this is like the one pick. Honestly, in these 99% in situations like this, most of the times the price just continues to deliver lower. Why would this be an exception? Obviously there then comes like the numbers game and stuff, but like, do your fundamentals, guys, please. For me, this is still a pretty bearish market, and I'm just being honest with you. I have no courses to sell you. If you want to learn the strategy that I'm using for free, click the first link below, and I'll see you in the next one.